What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and in this channel I talk about hair and skincare. So don't forget to subscribe.
Do whatever that you say, yeah. Just don't fuck up my swagger that I have, yeah. 'Cause I've been around, you been around.
And this video is all about mistakes that might be ruining your hair, making it unhealthy, damaged and so on. So the first mistake is to apply conditioner on the roots of the hair. Conditioner should only be used in the ends because it can block the follicles of your hair, causing hair loss. And if you do that, I'm sure you don't want to end up bald, right? And masks are more effective for damaged hair. I will leave a few links down below of videos that you already have on this channel, so make sure you check it out afterwards. So mistake number 2 is using shampoo in the ends of the hair and rubbing it in as if you're trying to get rid of a stain on your top. Now you shouldn't do this because most shampoos contain sulfates and they are pretty much those lovely bubbles that you see when you wash your hair in the shower. And when you apply the shampoo on the ends of your hair, it can dry too much and cause breakage. So just a quick tip if you have damaged hair. Just apply some conditioner from the middle to the ends and then shampoo it as normal. So mistake number 3 is to apply conditioner or mask while the hair is full of water. Just take the excess of the water like this and then apply it. This way, the conditioner doesn't have to be fighting with the water to get into the strands of the hair, and always divide the hair and apply it layer by layer. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel and hit that bell so you won't miss any of my videos? Make sure you do. Now, mistake number 4 is using hair extensions with bonds or any kind of hair extensions that will get stuck on your head, because unfortunately they can damage your hair and make you bald. Now, I don't think you want that. I have used them in the past, as you can see over here, and to be honest, they are not just expensive, they also require loads of your time, treatment, salon visits, and they're not really worth it for the damage that they cause. Now what you can do is use those clip extensions for the odd occasion, and they are much more gentle for the hair. Now if you want long hair, let it grow, take care of it. And that brings me to my next mistake, which is mistake number 5, which is cutting your hair every 2 to 3 months. Instead, go to your hairdresser once or twice a year for a trim and try the split end cutting method. It's very simple. There is 2 ways you can do this. You can either twist your hair like this and cut all the split ends until the end, or you can take small layers of your hair, put it between your fingers like this and cut the ends that you see they are damaged. I do this every 15 days and I don't lose any length and I keep my hair healthy at the same time. So mistake number 6 is brushing your hair from the top to the bottom and doing it as if you want to kill the pretty girl that is talking to your boyfriend in the pub. Instead, brush it from the bottom to the top gently and you will see that it's so much easier to detangle the hair and you are not going to break it as much as if you do this. Mistake number 7 is not using heat protection spray before using a hair dryer or a hair straightener for obvious reasons. It can cause damage to the hair and it can make it unhealthy. So mistake number 8 is using the blow dryer too close to your head and hair itself. This can not only dehydrate your scalp and hair, but it can also cause a nasty fungus to breed. So mistake number 9 is leaving hair mask on your hair, just washing a little bit off and leaving it on certain areas thinking that will keep hydrating, and that isn't the case. I have done it before. It can make the hair dry, losing its shine, and it can even break the strands of your hair. So make sure that you wash it off completely and that the hair is free of any products. So mistake number 10 is going to sleep with damp hair and putting it up while it's still wet, and that is a no-no, and loads of people still doing it. It can promote fungus and block the follicles, causing hair loss. Do you want to be bald? Well, let me know in the comments down below if you have done or did any of these mistakes. So the next mistake is for oily hair. Don't use those deep cleaning shampoos every wash. They are usually those transparent ones, and they are only used for opening the cuticle to have some kind of treatment or hair mask every 15 days or once a month, and it can promote even more oil. So make sure they use a specific shampoo for your hair type. So mistake number 12 is twisting the hair after washing it. You should be taking the excess of the water this way, especially when the hair is wet, because the hair is fragile and it's more prone to break. And voila! All these mistakes are very common and easy to make, you know, so don't feel bad if you have done it before. We grow and we learn. So don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments, likes, and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Got me thinking about you, thinking about you.